Well, good morning. Clouds are coming in. There's a honeybee. Well, let's go see how they're doing. They came out early in the morning and opened them up. You guys haven't seen the videos yet. They come out this next week. But we're starting with the nursery. So here's this. I got these from Harris, and they're his transport hives. But we're letting them do their thing. Luckily, I made it real strong, and there is a little bit of uncapped brood, so it'll hold some of them in there for that. But and then over here we opened this one up a little bit. Looks like maybe not quite enough. Looks like they're cleaning stuff up. Maybe they're gonna stay too. That'd be cool. It's kind of on the chilly side. It's starting to warm up now. But oh, look, we got birds and bunnies. Birds and bunnies and bees. Birds and the bees and a bunny. Nature, it comes to visit me. That's why I put that new screen on, because it kept coming inside my house to visit me, stupid birds. Go on, I'm not following you, but go. Be gone with you. I have to say I have fun with my days. Well, my lavender's doing good. These girls absorbed a lot of field force yesterday. Probably about doubled their strength almost as far as field force went. I thought maybe I should move that small colony over and set it in between. I may do that. Ow! That was right in the head. Keep my head down. They'll get between my baseball cap and my glasses, and I'll get stung between the eyes, kinda. They get stuck in there. Plus, they're probably halfway gritchy. They had to deal with a lot of new residents, you know, between the two of them. That's okay, everybody's getting acquainted. But we're getting ready to grow. Good bees. Good bees. Some nice pollen going in. I'm glad. Oh, that's some red. I don't know what red is. I saw a single cell of purple in one of my inspections. There's some lilacs or whatever they're called over that way, and they were purple. I don't know if they make purple pollen or not, but it looks like they're getting it figured out. And it'll be a nice bee number bump for them. Oop, she ran into the tip of my finger. Yeah, they're still a little sassy, it looks like. Oh well, that'll be okay. What is it? 58 degrees. Good, good, good. See, with 58 degrees, the air above them is a couple degrees warmer, you know, 2 to 4 degrees warmer. So Not quite the same benefit as insulation, but it's a little bit. Keeps the air above them drier. So that's good. Well, I was just wanting to see how these were doing, so. Man, there's a lot of blackberries this year. Clear all through there. I'm gonna have to pick them. Blackberries is my second favoriteest berry. My first favoriteest is strawberry. I have a little bit of strawberries and they all bloomed and are making berries. I'm sure my honeybees found them. Yeah, petals and stuff are starting to fall off of these. Bloom's on its way out. Let's see what will be next. Well, all of our weeds and such stuff. And this will carry on. Here, so you can see how these ones are turning color. They kind of turn that pink, and then the flowers begin to dry up. Yeah, see? Bees on them though. But that means that the first of the blooms are on the way out, so there's that too. Luckily we still got, you know, stuff back in the trees and everything that bloomed quite a bit later. There's still some of them that haven't really bloomed yet. Or just starting, like these over here. See, I've still got all the stuff that's back in the trees for whatever it does and however, you know, when it starts kicking off. You can see back here, these haven't even, that one's just barely started. See all the stuff back in the back. So then the bees start heading in the trees, just not up. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.